Hi, I'm Jonathan Abisbaki.
Hi, I'm Diana Lee.
We're two seniors at NYU Tandon, and we worked on the hardware component of our senior design project.
So our senior design project consists of creating a math equation to Braille system. So essentially what happens is that an instructor or a note taker can write math equations on our iPad application, and it will then be sent over to our hardware component, which will show the Braille equivalents.
This should allow the blind and visually impaired community a lot more resources in terms of learning math, since most resources right now are very expensive or just inaccessible in general.
Yeah, so we'd actually like to show you one of the examples of our system.
So this is our iOS app. It's on iPad. As you can see, there's a pretty free drawing space for the instructor to use. So what you would first do is you'd want to connect to the Bluetooth Braille display wirelessly. So you just hit this button here, connect to device. Now that you're connected to it, you can write down anything in the free drawing area. So just doing something pretty basic, you can do 1 + 1. Now you'd want to convert the handwritten math note to LaTeX format, so you just hit convert over here. So we have it in computer readable format. Now what we want to do is we want to send it to the Braille display. So if I hit the send button, so as you can see, it shows up on the Braille display. There's a visible delay so that the blind or visually impaired student has enough time to fill out the Braille pins. So let's say that the instructor wants to save this equation, as so often frequent in mathematics. For example, if they're going over algebra and they need to see the quadratic equation a few times or something of that nature, you can save the equation. So you can press the save button here. So it's saved, and if we want to browse our existing saved equations, you can see 1 + 1 right there, and now it's accessible anytime. And that is our iOS app and the Braille display.